Shell LiveWIRE. Shell LiveWIRE is a UK-wide enterprise scheme to help support young entrepreneurs aged 16–30 into business. Shell LiveWIRE is a Royal Dutch Shell social investment program. It was launched in the Strathclyde area of Scotland in 1982, before being rolled out across the rest of the UK in 1985. The Shell LiveWIRE Awards are one of the longest established youth entrepreneur award schemes in the UK and boasts an inspirational alumni of winners. The program has helped a who's who of well-known entrepreneurs on their paths to success, including the program's first winner, Stewart Graham of the Gael Force Group, James Murray Wells of Glasses Direct, Michael Korn of KwickScreen, Laurence Kemball-Cook of Pavegen, Richard Reed of Innocent Smoothies, and James Watt and Martin Dickie of BrewDog.Shell LiveWIRE offers two business awards, the monthly £5,000 LiveWIRE Smarter Future Awards and an annual £25,000 LiveWIRE Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award. Smarter Future Program winners. The Shell LiveWIRE Smarter Future program, launched in 2015, with aim of supporting startups that provide solutions to the UK future transport, food, energy, or natural resource challenges, or make our urban environments cleaner and more sustainable places to work and live in. So far, the program has supported the following startups with £5,000 funding and mentoring opportunities. Daniel Roberts, founder of Banana Berry, a business that turns surplus fruit and vegetables into smoothies. Mason Holden, co-founder of Urban Minded, the business behind Bike Vault, a bicycle parking structure with a built-in locking mechanism. Solveig Packstate, founder of Design by Sol, the business behind Bump Mark, a bioreactive food expiry label which indicates the conditions of food inside its packaging, reducing food waste. Adam Meekings, founder of Penumbra Power, a technology startup committed to the reduction of emissions from vehicle exhaust gases through their innovation, currently called pre-treatment. Manish Varshni, co-founder of Naturoses, a company that creates organic fertilizer and fish feed from food waste. Tom Robinson, co-founder of Adaptivate, the business behind Breathaboard, a bio-based alternative to plasterboard which locks carbon into the fabric of buildings. Thor Schweitmaker Wickstrom, co-founder of Cabin2, a business that creates sustainable smart objects that use the property of color to convert sunlight into energy. Ravi Tor, founder of Filamentive, a sustainable 3D printing material brand looking to develop a 3D printer filament made from recycled plastic. Adam Dixon, co-founder of Phytoponics, an agtech startup that developed a low-cost and scalable hydroponic growing system for commercial agriculture. Karina Sudanite, co-founder and chief brand of Flawsome Drinks, a business that turns wonky fruit into wonderful cold-pressed juices. Grand Ideas Award winners. The Shell LiveWIRE Grand Ideas Awards ran from 2009 to 2014 and awarded monthly £1,000 awards to innovative startups throughout the UK. Notable award winners include Daniel Murray, co-founder of Grabble, a fashion app that is revolutionizing the shopping experience. Laurence Kemball-Cook, founder of Pavegen Systems, a business which has created paving slabs that harvest kinetic energy. Arthur Kay, co-founder of BioBean, a business which turns used coffee grounds into biodiesel pellets. Ed Ward, founder of Veglo, a business that is making cycling safer with its innovative commuter Explore lights. Michael Corrigan, co-founder of TRTL, the sleep scarf that makes traveling more comfortable. Samuel Etherington, founder of Aqua Power Technologies, a company that has invented a multi-axis wave power energy converter. Jennifer Duthie, founder of Scribbies, kids' shoes that can be drawn on every day from new. Amy Wordsworth, founder of Good Bubble, a range of natural bath products for children. Georgina Bullen, Paralympian and founder of Team Insight, a company that uses the sport of goalball to aid team building. Ben Allen, founder of Oomph Wellness, a company that is revolutionizing the care sector. Dana Elamara, founder of Organic, a company that produces argan oil for the food and cosmetic industries. Charlie Harry Francis, founder of Lick Me I'm Delicious, the company behind Edible Mist and Instant Logo Pops, as well as their signature liquid nitrogen ice cream. Jermaine Hagan, founder of Revision App. Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award winners. The Shell LiveWIRE Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award competition recognizes and celebrates the achievements of the UK's finest young entrepreneurs. Previous winners include Jamie Murray Wells of Glasses Direct, Robert Mathams of Shipley, Ben Allen of Oomph Wellness, and Daniel Murray of Gravel. British entrepreneur Robin Drinkle won both a regional Shell LiveWIRE Award in 1987 and also a UK National Shell LiveWIRE Award in 1988. His autobiography Colourful Sales of Pyramids details his memories of the UK National Shell LiveWIRE Awards. Another new startup business includes Moroccan Legacy UK deals in natural cosmetics made with argan oil and bio garden plants.